I want to take these handlebar risers out. Those will probably lower the whole handlebar about 5 centimeters and also bring them back a little bit further backwards. I hope to achieve a little more sporty seating position than I have now. I'm now forced into a very upright position with very wide open arms, which is not completely comfortable because I have sometimes a little bit hard reaching buttons, like for example directionals. So, well, just trying things out, you know. Let's see if this works better for me. First of all, I'll take these two containers off. Next, I'll take these containers off, lower the handlebar into this position and push and get things fixed up again. We have of course these two out. I hope I can do the job without having to adjust all kinds of stuff like these protection bars and things like that. We'll see. So everything is now loose. So basically what I have to do now is this, and turn everything back on and then try to adapt everything, that is the handles and all the buttons and stuff, to my kind of new seating position, so that I can reach everything in the way I think I should do it. Well, let me continue. This, however, was easy enough. Just took me 5 minutes to disassemble the whole lot. There you have it, the handlebar risers. And I immediately ran into trouble. As you can possibly see, that the clutch cable is getting stuck between the handlebar protector bar and the handlebar itself. And the same here with the brake cables. So I'll have to disassemble a little bit further before I can continue. And that's the result for now. Turned out that the brake cable, or hose better, was better off still running below. But the clutch absolutely needed to get over the protector bar. I think I have the handlebar pretty much in original position and tilt. I'm not sure, but I think that this kind of this kind of position suits me best. I'm now going to do a little short test drive, just to see if I really have a working brake, and just to see if I still can manage the bike, so to say. Okay, this was a success. I've made a short trip, especially taking a lot of the so hated roundabouts, and that, well, it was now far and far easier to go around them, just because I had a better feedback from what the front of the bike is doing. So for now, the handlebar is going to stay in the position where it is now. To do, however, is this, the front brake hose line. I really need to reroute it. It's obvious that my brother has adapted it, lengthened it to fit the higher handlebar with the risers on. So it's now too long and it hits the front plastic. Let me check what I can do.